What's up, guys? It's me, Dan, here, and today I got like a surprise from my brother and sister. They got me like this. Oh, sorry. Let me do this the other way. There we go. The Mario plush with hats. Yeah. There we go. It comes with Cappy too. Alright. I didn't even know something like this even existed. So yeah, I'm gonna open it right now and just hold on. Let me first cut off Cappy. One of the main stars of Super Mario Odyssey. Sorry you have to see this from a different angle, guys. I'll put it down for now. Hold on. Alright, here. Let me give you a closer look at Cappy. Looks like a really cool detail. Okay, off. There we go. There we go. There's like a cool 360 of Cappy. There we go. Now this is it's a real pain to get these out. I want you cut. Yay, got it. There we go. We even have the wedding cap. I wish they made other versions of this. Other costumes of Mario. But anyway, let's get these out. I'm sorry if you see. Oh. Sorry if the camera is like a little bad. You see, my camera holder broke. Okay, I'll place you guys right there. Here we go, here's the wedding cap. And I think this is like the yeah, it's the sombrero. That one went flying. Alright, there we go. And now here's everything with it. Now I'm gonna put this one on Mario. I don't know what this one is. It's either Safari or Sombrero. Yeah, I have a dry boxer back there too. Yeah. Here, we'll put on the winning one. There we go. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys can come with me. Just hold on. Sorry if the hallway is dark a little bit. I'm grabbing my other three Mario plushies. Let me just... Of Mario, Luigi, and Yoshi. Now we're gonna do a size comparison. They're kind of like the same height a bit. Also with Luigi and Yoshi. Let me get a good view of that. Yeah, they're kind of like the same height. Now just hold it right there. I have two more plushies I want to show you. I know this isn't really, I didn't plan a video for this, but I do have this guy. Midoriya from My Hero Academia, if you know what anime series I'm talking about. And I have Dry Bowser, which is kind of like a little bigger from the others. So yeah. Well, that's it for my video for the Mario Odyssey unboxing. So, sorry, can't. Yeah, that's this Super Mario Odyssey unboxing. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.